The chart represents the ProShares Ultra Pro Russell 2000 ETF, or URTY, on a daily time frame. It's an aggressive leveraged ETF that aims to provide 3 times the daily return of the Russell 2000 index. Due to its leveraged nature, URTY is more volatile and reacts more sharply to market movements. This makes it a high-risk investment, suitable for short-term trading or tactical positioning rather than long-term holding. Here's a detailed analysis of the chart and trend. 1. Price movement and EMA indicators. The ETF is trading at $60.72, reflecting a significant daily gain of 13.41%. Exponential moving averages, or EMAs. The 50-day EMA is at $50.98, and the 100-day EMA is at $49.33. The current price is well above both the 50-day and 100-day EMAs, indicating a strong bullish momentum in the short term. The price movement above these EMAs suggests continued upward momentum and buying interest. 2. Relative Strength Index, or RSI. The current RSI value is 69.86, with a reference level around 52.06. An RSI near 70 indicates that the asset is close to being overbought, suggesting high buying pressure. This level implies that URTY is reaching an overbought state, which could signal a short-term pullback if buying momentum slows down. 3. Williams Percentage Indicator. The current value is negative 13.17. The Williams Percentage Indicator, which ranges from negative 100 to 0, shows values closer to 0 as overbought conditions. With a reading of negative 13.17, URTY is approaching overbought levels. This suggests strong buying momentum, but with caution due to the high-risk nature of leveraged ETFs. This could imply a potential reversal or consolidation in the near term. 4. MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The current MACD line stands at 0.90, while the current signal line is at 0.42. The MACD histogram is positive, indicating bullish momentum with green bars on the histogram. The MACD line is above the signal line, showing a bullish crossover and a positive trend in momentum. The widening gap between the MACD and the signal line suggests strengthening upward momentum. Trend Summary and Analysis. The overall trend shows URTY in a strong bullish trend, with the price above both short-term EMAs, the 50-day and 100-day. This trend is reinforced by the MACD crossover and high RSI, indicating strong buying pressure. Given the overbought readings on both the RSI and Williams %R, a short-term pullback or consolidation is possible. However, the ETF's leveraged nature means that it can experience sharp moves both up and down, so caution is warranted for traders considering new positions. In the medium to long-term outlook, since URTY is a leveraged ETF intended to track the Russell 2000 at 3 times its daily return, it's more suitable for short-term tactical trades rather than long-term holding. The current bullish momentum could continue in the medium term if the Russell 2000 index itself remains strong. But due to the aggressive leverage, price reversals can be swift and significant. Emphasis on aggressiveness and risks. URTY's 3 times leverage makes it an aggressive ETF, amplifying both gains and losses. The ETF seeks to provide 3 times the daily return of the Russell 2000, which makes it highly sensitive to intraday price fluctuations. Investors should exercise caution and be prepared for high volatility. Due to the compounding effects of daily returns, leveraged ETFs like URTY are not ideal for holding over long periods, as they can deviate significantly from their underlying index's performance in the long run. As evident by the recent 13.41% gain in one day, URTY's price can swing sharply. This ETF is more suitable for experienced investors looking for short-term exposure to small-cap stocks with a high risk tolerance. In summary, URTY is currently in a strong uptrend, with technical indicators pointing toward bullish momentum. However, with overbought conditions in play and the ETF's leveraged and aggressive nature, traders should monitor for potential pullbacks or reversals, especially if the underlying Russell 2000 index shows weakness.